Is here to break down more of those numbers is Joe Feldman. He's a senior retail analyst at Telsey Advisory Group. And Joe, as Adam was just saying, I mean, do these sales numbers actually paint a much brighter picture for Costco in the retail front?
Well, Costco has been operating fairly well, and they are getting very good traffic. Traffic continues to be up for them consistently over the past fall. So we're seeing people in the stores, and the price pressure is really where you see the decreases. So Adam is correct. I think that if you did try to normalize things, Costco sales would look a little bit better.
But I do want to address those price issues, because you saw Kroger, having had to slash their food prices and talking about that. You've got pricing pressure also at Costco. I mean, these profit margins are very thin, so that's going to be a danger zone for these companies.
No, absolutely. I mean, you really have to watch the margins. I'm very interested to hear what Costco is going to say at their call on 11 o'clock Eastern time when they talk about the margins. Also to talk about the price deflation that they're seeing on the commodities. We know that they've talked about that being an issue as they've reported monthly sales for the past several months, very similar to what we've heard from Kroger.
So does that mean, though, bottom line, does that mean, though, that we might see a price? Okay, we want to hear what Costco is going to say, but does that mean that we might see a price war brewing at all between Costco and Walmart and Kroger and other chains?
Well, without question, Walmart's been very competitive on price, and they're really pressuring everybody that's selling anything related to the items that they sell, which is everything. Now, that said, there is a lot of commodity price deflation right now, and that's really where you are seeing some of the price pressure at the grocers and the Costcos and Walmarts of the world. You know, it's milk, it's eggs, it's meat and perishables. All those prices are down significantly year over year, and that's where you see some pressure.
I want to talk about these big box retailers, Joe, because I was looking at the Costco stock, up about 11% year to date. I mean, these big box retailers haven't done as well as other sectors in the consumer discretionary front. Why is that? What has happened this year?
Well, I think that the retail investor has been looking towards more discretionary names that would have a little more leverage to upside as the economy starts to turn around. And a lot of these more staples-oriented retailers didn't do as well this year as people really thought that there was going to be that shift. And last year they really had performed quite well. I mean, Walmart had a terrific year the prior in 2008. So this year it made a little more sense that it didn't perform as well as people were looking for a little more volatility and upside with the discretionary names.
And Joe, very quickly, just run down for us, what is selling the best at Costco right now?
Well, still it's consumables. I mean, that is number one. I mean, electronic sales have been good. The encouraging thing at Costco is discretionary sales have been picking up a little bit.
Okay, Joe, good to see you. Joe Feldman of Telsey Advisory Group on Costco and the retail front.